Oratine is a natural product that is specially designed to help those who suffer from tinnitus, hearing loss, and memory-related diseases. It contains a powerful formula that is made up of natural ingredients that work together to deliver amazing results. One of the primary benefits of oratine is its ability to eliminate tinnitus. Tinnitus is a common condition that affects millions of people worldwide. It is characterized by a constant ringing or buzzing sound in the ears that can be very frustrating and disruptive. Oratine's powerful formula is designed to target the root cause of tinnitus and eliminate it completely. Another benefit of oratine is its ability to help you regain your hearing. Hearing loss is another common problem that affects many people, especially as they get older. Oratine's natural ingredients work to improve blood flow to the ears, which helps to strengthen the delicate hair cells in the inner ear that are responsible for hearing. Finally, oratine is an excellent product for protecting your brain and precious memories. As we age, our brains become more susceptible to memory-related diseases such as Alzheimer's and dementia. Oratine's natural ingredients help to protect the brain and prevent memory loss by improving blood flow to the brain and reducing inflammation. The best part about oratine is that it delivers results in just weeks. Unlike other products on the market that take months to work, oratine's powerful formula starts working right away, so you can start enjoying the benefits of better hearing, improved brain function, and tinnitus relief in no time. In summary, oratine is a natural product that has the power to eliminate tinnitus, help you regain your hearing, and protect your brain and precious memories. It's a safe and effective solution that delivers results in just weeks, so you can start living your best life today.